Hola, Jaleesa here, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to the party, baby. So today is wash day. We're gonna be taking care of all of this. So my hair has been extremely dry and brittle and just literally breaking at the touch. And I need to do something about it. So I decided to take it back to my basics and make my own hair moisturizer. And why not bring you guys along so that you can see how to make it if you needed to. So here is everything you are going to need. Keep in mind, this is a oil-based moisturizer for your hair. So you are still going to need to make sure that you hydrate your hair with maybe water or some aloe. I usually put water and aloe in a bottle and I spray my hair first. And then you lock in the moisture with this. So we have olive oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E oil. This is argan oil, castor oil, Jamaican black castor oil, and then African shea butter. And then you need your mixer. You need a mixing bowl and you should be set.
For starters, you want to get your shea butter into your mixing bowl. I like how the company packaged this shea butter. As you can see, it's already pre-cut. So I just use my spoon to break through it and it makes my life a lot easier. Once you have your shea butter in the mixing bowl, you want to go ahead and start adding your oils. Now, I'm pretty sure any oil you want to add into this will work. However, my hair is very dry and I have a 4C pattern, so these are the oils that work best for my hair type. Now we're just grabbing our mixer and working those oils into the butter. When you add your oils into the butter, you want to make sure that you're not adding too much oil, because the more oil you add, the thinner this moisturizer will become, and we don't want it to be too thin. Midway through the process, you want to check the consistency of this butter. All you have to do is dip your finger into the mixture, rub it between your two fingers, and if you feel any clumps or you feel that it's still very sticky, you want to add more oils in it, and this will help thin out the butter. As you can see, the mixture is becoming very fluffy, and this is exactly what I want. This just helps me to be able to work the butter through my hair with ease. And now all that's left to do is to package your freshly made oil-based moisturizer. To save the planet and a few coins, I'm just going to put this mixture back into the original packaging that the shea butter came in. Look how creamy that mixture is. It's just melting between my fingers.
Okay, so 999 million hours later, I have finished washing my hair. So now I'm gonna start putting everything in my hair. Let me show you what it looks like in its natural state.
So I follow the LCO method, which just stands for liquid, cream, oil. So my hair was just washed, so it's damp. That's what's going to be my liquid. I'm putting in leave-in conditioner, which is going to be my cream. And then I'm going to seal it with the butter, which is going to be my oil. Look how easy that butter melted between my hands. Girl, look at this. Depending on your hair type, you might be able to just do a wash and go, but the way my hair is set up, I could not do that because I would just have an afro when I'm done. So I have to manipulate my hair, which is why I am twisting it right now.
Okay, so I have finished twisting up my hair. It took me maybe about an hour, maybe 2, because my grandmother called. But I'm done. My hair is feeling very moisturized, very, look at this, bing, bing. So I'm liking it. I'm happy with it. Now, it usually takes me about 2 days for it to fully dry and set the way I want it to look. So you'll probably catch me in the street with my hair twisted up like this for about 2 days before I take it out and I can just let my natural hair shine. But I'm happy with it. I'm glad that I put the time in to actually go back to my roots and make this, and my hair is happy about it. Here is the water that I was telling you I usually do, which is water and aloe mixed together. This was just so that my hair stays wet when I'm working with it, because when it's dry, it's just harder to work with and easier for me to break it. Honestly, your hair is more weak when it's wet, but it's also much easier for me to get through it. So you just have to take your time when combing through it. So here's this, and I use Aunt Jackie's, what is this called? Don't Shrink Gel, but it holds my curl pattern when I do my twist, but it don't stop my hair from shrinking. My hair still shrinks, as you can see. And right now, this is not as short as it's gonna shrink. It's gonna shrink even shorter. Trust me, it's gonna shrink even shorter. But I'm happy with it, and I will give you guys the final look when I go out on Friday. So I'm not gonna give any closing statements just yet until I show you guys that. Okay, so now it's 2 days later and my hair is fully dry. I usually give it about 2 days for it to fully dry and set into the curl pattern that I am looking for. So this is what it looks like when it's in its twisted state. And now I'm getting ready to untwist it and get it popping, baby. And here is the final look, guys. So my hair feels extremely hydrated and supple. My curl pattern is trying to come through, and I just really like it. And I hope that you guys try this moisturizer, because I think it'll do wonders for you, because it definitely does wonders for me, especially if you have my hair type, which is 4C. So get into it, and this is the end of the video. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell, baby, so that you will be notified of my future videos to come. That wasn't supposed to happen. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Bye.